Today, we're going to walk you through how to assemble your weapon. First, remove the straps and open the box. To access your weapon manual, be sure to head to our website and click the PDF file to access everything you need to get started. Next, start pulling everything out of the big box. You should have a shock pump for your suspension, a bag of tools, pedals, front mud guard, touch-up paint, dropper post shims, and a smaller box containing the charger. Next, pull the bike out of the box and cut the zip ties off and remove all of the cardboard. Now remove the bolts from the stem plate to attach the handlebars. You can use the logo on the front to line them up. Pay attention to the angle of the brake levers and adjust to your preference. Tighten the bolts in a figure 8 pattern to ensure even tightening. Next, take the plastic off the brake rotor. We recommend doing this without actually touching the brake rotors because you could contaminate the rotor, resulting in decreased braking power. Next, we're going to attach your front wheel. Pull the plastic brake lock from the brake caliper and remove the bottom bar off the bottom of the fork. Remove the PVC bar off the bottom of the fork so you can put the wheel on. Be sure not to squeeze the brakes until after the wheel is fully attached. Place the fork onto the wheel and you should feel it lock. Be sure to align the brake caliper with the rotor before placing it on. After you feel the click, put your axle through and tighten the bolt by rotating towards the front of the bike. Now it's time for the pedals. Be sure to take note of which is left and which is the right pedal, indicated by the stickers on the pedals. Hand tighten each pedal toward the front of your bike and turn your 15mm wrench until it can't be turned anymore. To remove your pedals, loosen towards the rear wheel on both pedals. Next, put the front mudguard on by the 3 bolts from the mudguard packaging. First, screw in the 2 side bolts without placing the mudguard on. Once attached, place the mudguard on the 2 bolts and align the center grommet. Tighten the center bolt and then tighten the right and left bolts, ensuring the mudguard is secured. There you have it. You can remove the plastic cover on the display, turn on your weapon by pressing the power button on top of the controller. To adjust your power mode, press the up to increase your assistance level and press the bottom button to decrease your assistance level. Last but not least, don't forget your battery compartment keys. To adjust your suspension, consult the DVO manual or website to properly adjust to your weight and riding style. Congrats on your weapon. We can't wait for you to ride it. Make sure you check out the parts attached before you ride and make sure that they are secure, and let us know how your first ride goes. We think you're gonna love it. For any other questions, refer to the Superhuman Weapon Manual linked in the description below, or check out our YouTube channel for more how-to videos on your weapon. See you next time.